I'm Anna.
I'm Kalina. This group is a wonderful place where kids show their creativity, have a lot of fun with kids from all over the world, and most of all, become an early bird by waking up between 5:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m.
Every day, our marvelous leaders give us creative activities such as crafts, dance, etc. Each child gets a chance to be a leader and give us, the ABC Kids, fun activities. Every week, we choose a few special kids who have worked really hard throughout the week and are active in the group as well. They are rewarded as Star of the Week and will receive a certificate from EBC2.
We always start our day in the early mornings. There is a document that is posted every day in our group. When we wake up early, we read the daily quotes sent by the leaders and listen to the affirmations that are part of the document. They make you feel nice, grateful, and relaxed. Also, we exercise yoga so our body can also feel healthy and good.
Twice a week, for an hour, we have weekly events. They are conducted by kids, experts, and professionals who showcase their talents such as dancing, art, and many more. These events are really fun and a good opportunity to learn lots of new things.
Reward chart is a great way that you can see what you have done and how active have you been in ABC, just like we do. You can print this reward chart, and every time you wake up early, do an activity, follow the routine, and join in the sessions, you can reward yourself with a sticker.
In ABC Kids, we have various swings, clubs, that you can participate in. Anyone who is a part of ABC can join these clubs. These wings nurture interest in kids. Currently, we have the ABC Bedtime Illustrations and the Wave Maths. These wings are conducted by kids, experts, and professionals who are willing to give their time to us. And we hope you join too. Bye!
We are so glad to be part of EBC. This club has brought so many good changes in us. Bye!